In a world where screens and digital devices dominate our daily lives, the importance of maintaining optimal eye health cannot be overstated. Our eyes serve not only as a mirror of the soul, but also as the main means of perceiving the world around us and interacting with it. However, in our modern lifestyle, factors such as prolonged screen time, exposure to environmental pollutants, and bad habits can pose significant risks to our vision, leading to vision problems ranging from discomfort to serious illness. But fear not, because nature contains a treasure trove of medicines. Herbs, revered for centuries for their medicinal properties, are now receiving increasing attention for their ability to protect and improve vision. In this educational video, we take you on a journey through the world of herbs known for their ability to protect and even help restore vision. Join us as we dive deeper into the complex world of herbal eye care. Like and subscribe. Go! First place in our herbal odyssey is occupied by the wonderful blueberry. This humble berry owes its health benefits to anthocyanins, the powerful compounds responsible for its vibrant hue. Anthocyanins serve as powerful antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that pose a threat to eye tissue. But the benefits of blueberries don't end there. Its ability to improve night vision and overall visual acuity is well documented, making it a valuable ally in the quest for clearer vision. Next, let's turn our attention to the ancient maidenhair tree, better known as ginkgo biloba. Rich in flavonoids and terpenoids, the leaf extracts of this venerable tree have numerous benefits, including improving circulation in the complex blood vessels of the eyes. By promoting proper blood flow, ginkgo biloba supports eye vitality and may help treat conditions associated with poor circulation, such as glaucoma. Our journey into the world of herbal eye care takes an exotic turn as we explore the crimson threads of saffron. Revered in traditional medicine systems around the world, saffron's antioxidant properties, especially its carotenoid content, play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals and fighting inflammation, a common denominator in various eye diseases. From age-related macular degeneration to inflammatory eye diseases such as uveitis, saffron is a powerful ally in maintaining eye health. Turmeric, with its bioactive compound curcumin, is emerging as another star player in our quest for eye health. Curcumin's ability to modulate inflammatory pathways, known for its anti-inflammatory effects, makes it invaluable in mitigating conditions such as dry eye syndrome and diabetic retinopathy. Additionally, its antioxidant properties protect against oxidative stress, providing protection against age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. Rosemary, with its aromatic charm, lures us into the realm of herbal wisdom. Rich in antioxidants such as rosmaric acid and carnosic acid, rosemary protects eye tissue from oxidative stress and also has anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to its antioxidant properties, rosemary's effects on circulation and cognitive function enhance its role in maintaining eye health. Finally, we turn our attention to fennel seeds, a nutritional powerhouse rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Rich in vitamin A and various beneficial compounds, fennel seeds help support eye health by neutralizing free radicals and providing protection against oxidative stress. The flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols found in fennel seeds enhance its antioxidant properties, making it a promising addition to natural eye care. But let's not forget that while herbs have great potential for promoting eye health, they are only one aspect of a holistic approach to eye health. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate rest, and good eye hygiene are important components of maintaining optimal vision. Remember, always consult a physician before adding herbal supplements to your diet to ensure their safety and suitability for your individual needs. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey into the world of herbal eye care. Stay tuned for more ideas and discoveries in our upcoming videos as we continue to explore the wonders of nature's pharmacy. Bye everyone.